I just want to say thank you so much for watching me do this easy to do 3-minute wet on wet landscape that is perfect for anyone starting out that wants to paint like Bob Ross. If there's anything that you want me to show you how to paint easily, do me a favor and go down below and leave me a comment. And hey, while you're down there, why don't you hit like and subscribe? If you want more tutorials from me that show you how to paint something easily to build your confidence, you can check out my channel, or better yet, just check out the videos over to my side. I'll see you all later, take care, and of course, peace.